Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Solana NFTs. Now let's get right into the video. The first step would be for you to scroll down below the video and click the Coinbase link, which will get you to the sign up page of Coinbase. Now, if you use the link in the description, you will get $10 worth of free Solana when buying $100 worth. So if you sign up through the link, you will get to your Coinbase dashboard, which will look like this. Now, in order to buy Solana, you go on over to trade on the left here. And then if you don't see Solana over here, you can search for Sol, which is the ticker for Solana. There we go, Solana. Click that. You'll now see its daily chart. And you can then head custom and then enter the amount you want to buy. Let's say 100 euros or dollars worth. Buy Solana and then click preview buy. Now, once you've bought Solana, it will be in your assets over here on the left. As you can see, for me it says 0 because I don't have any on here. But you can then use these and send them over. Send, we don't have anything. Change this to Solana. There you go. And then enter the amount you want to send to an address or email. Now, we still have to set up our Solana wallet. How we're going to do that is to go over to phantom.app. Be careful, there are copycats out there that scam you. Phantom.app, which is the most used Solana app out there. It's very, very nice looking and has the features of collecting NFTs, swapping tokens, and sending and receiving. Once you scroll down, you can see they're even working on integrating Ethereum on here. So that's a wallet you definitely want to have if you want to stick around in the cryptocurrency space. Now, if you scroll down, you can see you can download Phantom on Chrome, Brave browser, Firefox, and Edge. So I'm on Brave, so I'll click Brave, add to Brave, click add extension, which will now prompt it to download in the bottom left. There we go. It's now going to add it to our browser, and there we go. Now, Phantom has been installed. Now click create a new wallet if you don't have one, or use the secret recovery phrase if you want to import one that you already have. We'll create a new one for this video. Now, as you can see, this is our secret recovery phrase. This is only you will be able to recover your account. Please store it somewhere safe. So you want to copy this exact word for word in this order. This is important. Copy and notepad it. There we go. Put it to the side. Now, write this down on a piece of paper. This is your backup if you forget your password. Click OK, I saved it somewhere. Now enter some password. I agree to the terms of service. Click save. Now this is a keyboard shortcut. We don't need that. Click continue. Now click finish. Now we've successfully installed our wallet, which we can now see over here. Put it onto here, and then this is our wallet. As you can see, open it by clicking the little ghost icon in the top right, and this is our wallet. It's called Wallet 1. We still don't have anything on here, but what we need to do now is click deposit, and then, no, that's wrong. What we now have to do is click copy to clipboard, which is our wallet's address at the top. Copy, go to your Coinbase again, click send/receive, go to send, go to Solana as your asset to send, enter the amount in the dollars, to paste in your address, which it recognized as a Solana address, add a note for NFTs. Then hit continue, and you can then send your Solana to your Phantom wallet. The Solana network is really quick, so you might instantly see the balance on here. So the next step would be to click this 4 boxes icon in the bottom of the Solana wallet, which is your collectibles tab. This is where you will see your bought NFTs. You can also use the Phantom wallet to exchange and swap tokens, for example, Solana for USD Tether, or the other way around. You can also use this to buy Serum or Radium, which are Solana native tokens that build crazy DEXs or decentralized exchanges, and both of these have crazy returns. These could both 100x if you ask me. Now, then you also have your recent activity, and you can change the wallet name to NFTs, which is great. Now what you can also do is click these three horizontal lines and then click add/connect and then add a new wallet, which will be on the same wallet. So you log into your account and then you have two wallets over here. Now the second, I would advise you to go to settings and call this burner, which is a wallet you use for minting NFTs on Solana. Due to the fact that there are pretty much no costs for transferring or sending transactions, you can store all your Solana on here and all your NFTs on here, which is your main wallet. And once you are looking to mint an NFT, you send over the funds that it costs to mint to your burner wallet plus 0.1 for the transaction to go through, and then you can mint. And if someone tries to rug pull or scam you, they can only take the Solana on the burner wallet away, and your whole NFT collection and Solana stash is safe on the other one. Now that's the big advantage of the Phantom wallet. Looking forward to making it with Ethereum as well. Now once you have that, you want to go to one of the big Solana NFT marketplaces. The biggest one is magiceden.io. There's also alpha.art. There's Digital Eyes, which are the top three, and then there's SolSea, which you can also even use to mint your own NFTs, and Solana Art. This was the first one out there. As you can see, its daily volume is pretty much 8k Solana. It has 4.2 million Solana total volume, so these have big numbers. Now, in order to buy a Solana NFT, I'll highly advise you to go to Magic Eden, and what you want to do next is click Select Wallet. Then click Phantom Wallet, which we just installed. So you click Connect Wallet, and then this pops up, so you click Connect, and now we are connected as a wallet. You can see its address over here. What you want to do now is browse, or if you have a specific collection in mind, you can search for one. As you can see, so we'll click Browse Collections, or Browse Stats rather. Here you can see the top collections once this loads. And as you can see, Galactic Geckos is number one, Aurora, Meerkat Millionaires Club, and you can see the price average, the volume, the average price, and the floor price of these. Now let's say we want to buy Pesky Penguins. There you go. The floor price is 8.79. The average price is 9.97 in the last 24 hours. And let's say we want to buy this one with the cap. It has a cigarette, I think. You can click on it to see its attributes. It has a beak cigarette, yeah, 12% have this trait. What we can do is also filter the attributes on the left here. So the accessories, the background, the beak in this case. Let's say beak, go to mask. So here you can see all the ones that have a mask on. And you can do this for pretty much all the attributes. DNA, no idea what that is. Body, let's say bathrobe. So here you can see a bathrobe penguin with a mask on has a 8.9 Solana floor. You can then click one of these, hit buy now, and you would now have to approve the transaction, but you're unable to fetch the balance. You would then hit approve, and you have successfully bought your Solana NFT. That's all you gotta do. Now, I hope this video could help you out in your quest to buying in Solana NFTs. If it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.